Enough. That's too much. Ideas can bring you money, but these many ideas is not a good idea. So, for an idea to work, you need a great idea. An idea after an idea lands and becomes a good idea. Do you have any idea about what I'm saying? No. That's why you should only believe to experts who have researched and analyzed the market situations. They have worked with entrepreneurs around the world. Don't worry, we have done that for you. Here are the best business ideas of the year. Sorry guys, I have to leave right now, as I have to buy groceries for my place. Also, I have to go to the bank. And the dry cleaners? Wait. I also have to buy my new dress. Can someone do this for me? Yes, one can. Here is the first business idea in our list. Errand services are helping those people who do not have much time to complete their daily chores. So, they hire errand runners to complete their work. For instance, if you own a dog and don't have time to take them for a walk every day, you can ask an errand runner to do it for you. Someone who is passionate about food. And does the thought often cross your mind that you could build a unique restaurant? But for that, you need infrastructure, capital, and people. What if I tell you that I have a solution for you? Bringing in the next business idea is Cloud Kitchen Services. Cloud Kitchen Services are virtual restaurants. Virtual restaurants accept orders only and they do not provide dining facilities. So now your problem of money, infrastructure and staff is resolved. Seems like a new concept? It is a well-known concept in China. So try it. And if your restaurant is making some delicious food, please let me know. I can order from there too. I need one of those pets. No, I guess two. But wait, does that mean that additional responsibility of grooming them? That brings me to the next business idea of pet grooming services. See, understand, people these days are living in nuclear families and they do not have much time to take care of their pets. So, for these people, pet grooming services is a boon. And these people are a boon for your business. Pet grooming services provide bathing, brushing, trimming, and clipping to one's pet. These services can be offered by visiting your client's place. So it's great for people who do not want to invest much in their business. Today, after office, I'm surely buying a dog for myself. Did you see? No, not the traffic, but your target audience. I'm talking about the next business idea of car wash business. A car wash is a facility used to clean the exterior and in some cases the interior of motor vehicles. Small-scale self-service car washer earn on an average of $40,000 profit in a year. Now that's huge. Oh, that reminds me, I have to wash my car. Yes, I just discovered an idea. The idea of home rental business. Home rental business works on platforms where an individual can rent over their residence as lodgings for residents or travelers. Well, as more people are relocating, the need for more home rental is triggering. The estimated market growth is around $22 billion. What? 22 billions? Why am I not investing in such things? Remember in Friends, Monica organizing Phoebe's wedding? Remember how chaotic the situation became when Monica decided to resign from her post? Well, that is the situation in every event. We need someone to organize things for us. The next idea for you is event management business. Event management business is the coordinated effort behind planning, organizing, and executing various events. This includes weddings, corporate meetings, fundraisers, sporting events, fashion shows, and much more. With time, people have forgotten about this idea. But yes, still, this is one of the most growing businesses. Need some brainstorming? Then you can watch the episode again. Where's my cake? Come on, I'm waiting. Yeah, I had my lunch. But now I have a craving for some dessert. You know, these days it has become routine in offices to have sweets after lunch. Grab this opportunity by opening a baking service business. What does a baking service business provide you? It provides you with baking products like pie, cakes, pastries, and cookies. You should see how cranky I become when I am at home. You will find many such people who want everything in their home neat and clean. These people can be your potential customers. Bringing in the next idea for you is house cleaning services. These services provide dusting, vacuuming, sweeping, and mopping in one's house. These days, people are becoming more cautious about keeping their home clean. Okay, I'll stop now. You know what is the difference between a regular beer and this one? Well, this beer is from a craft brewery business. Now, what is a craft brewery business and why are we talking about it? The last idea on our list is the most innovative and trending idea. A craft brewery, by definition, is an independent brewery. They produce smaller amounts of beer compared to larger scale corporate counterparts. The term craft means more emphasis on the quality part of the beer. Now, why tap into this business? This business is getting an overwhelming response as people are more enthusiastic about new flavors and varied brewery techniques. Well, you can thank me later. Before signing off, I have 2 tips for you. Number 1, if you are someone who is new into the business, then you can contact our experts. We can offer you tips on how to develop your business more effectively. Number 2, see, it is important to build a connection with your customers. And for that, you need to market your service or product. There are only 2 ways to do that. Either you can take a traditional approach or a digital approach. Now, a traditional approach can prove you very expensive and also it has a lot of market research. On the other hand, a digital approach is the most chosen option by businesses today. It can offer you much faster presence with a very low cost. So, if you want to know how you can benefit from digitization, then you can contact our team. We have helped many such businesses to build their presence on digital platforms. So, click the link below. We offer a 30-minute free consultation on how to develop and market your product via digital platform. So hurry and book your slot now by clicking the link below. Also, subscribe to our channel for some latest videos on technology and business ideas in the market.